So now we're going to combine two types of formulas, okay? So you've seen this already, type of expense, location, employee, that was in our left, right, mid. You see the accounting code here, the amount here. My boss asked me, where did we spend money for each purchase? So each one of these purchases, say this is like 1,000 line plus long, he wants to know, or she wants to know, is this in Houston or Austin, et cetera, right? And they want to clearly see it. They wanted to say Houston here, they wanted to say Houston here, they wanted to say Austin here, okay? How do I do this, okay? And so what I'm going to use are two different formulas. First, I'm going to use mid, and then I'm going to use if. Okay, I'm going to use two different formulas. What we're focusing on here is nested formulas, and our purpose is advanced functionality and increased efficiency. Okay, so I'm going to do it separate, and then I'm going to nest those formulas together. So we know mid, and I know how to pull out my location. Mid here, start for, I want one character. So here gives me this gives me the H. Okay, or A. So now it's either H or A. Not what my boss wants. I can't give this to my boss and be like, here, take this. I don't know what else to do. So this is my mid part, and now I want to do if. If this is equal to H, I want to write out, remember it's a text string, I need to write out Houston. If it's false, then it's going to be Austin, because I only have two cities. So Houston, make sure this works, Austin, Houston, okay? Right, so it works. So let's check this one. This was purchased in Austin, that makes sense. So where did we spend money? Here's Houston, Austin. So I could write out two formulas. So that's totally fine, but a more efficient way to do that is to write a nested formula. So this is, let me move this up. I'm gonna say this is formula 1, this is formula 2, and this is the nested formula, okay? In a nested formula, all I'm doing is putting formula 1 and 2 into one cell, okay? First, what do I have to think about? I need to start from the outside in. So if, what? This text, starting with character 4 with one character, is equal to H, then what? I want to type in Houston. Otherwise, it's Austin. And I'm going to close that parentheses. So what I want to do is pull out the mid, and I want to see if it's an H. If it's an H, what I want to do is look to make sure if it is an H, it's going to be Houston. If not, it's going to be Austin. I'm going to hit enter here, and I'm bringing this down. That's all a nested formula is. I'm combining both of these formulas, formula 1 and formula 2. Okay? So formula 1, it pulls out the letter, and then formula 2 converts that letter into the word Houston. Okay? And that's what my nested formula is doing. It's saying, okay, first, if mid this is equal to H, give me Houston or give me Austin. And that's all I'm doing. I'm just combining formula 1 and formula 2. And that is the simple nested formula. You'll get way better at this as time goes on. But I just wanted to show you what a nested formula is. All you're doing is combining multiple formulas into one cell. So anytime you see stuff like this, don't get overwhelmed. Say, look, you know what? Take a step back and say, what is this person doing? They're just combining two different formulas. That's it.